All right, so we don't come back. We see the market runs and of course the market history and location. We get like about 30 minutes to go on the show, and we dey talk about two sisters. When we say stray bullets from soldiers killed for inside market for Kidandan district of Giwa local government area of Kaduna over the weekend. Now this will happen. And the two sisters' name, one Nuratu, 16 years, and Khadija, 11 years. And according to the story here, they say, of course, that the soldiers they drive through the market, inside the market, they can see some strange looking men when sit down on top of bikes, and so probably cost start, then shooting could take place. And in fact, the elder brother to the sisters when died, so he said, even if say he say even if say the soldiers they say okay those guys when sit down on top of bike say na Fulani headsmen. He say but why they go shoot into the crowd? He say even as this report come outside, he said the soldiers never even come pay condolence visit to their family. Now only police don't come. According to the gist. For Daily Trust. Oh yeah, now call us for 0700 951 951 951.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, madam. You go raise your voice, make we hear you. What be your name?
My name is Nat Joy, calling from Ogun.
Okay, you get what you want to tell us about this market or this district for Kaduna.
Yes, not really. But then the name of the market is not Kudandan, it's Kudandan.
Okay, spell because from the spelling here, they spell them Kidandan. Maybe I may not pronounce that
It's
one.
wrong, but it's Kudandan, that's the pronunciation.
Okay, have you been there before?
Yes, born and brought up in Kaduna State.
Exactly. So now people like you are the one make you. I bet spell them. What would be the right spelling?
Kudandan, which is Ku.
Okay, okay.
Okay, not KIB.
No.
Okay, so which kind of market the place or the market be?
It's actually a normal market.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a normal market. It's the everyday kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you
But
mean? Okay.
presently, I'm not in Kaduna.
I know.
Actually,
Yes, I know because the fact be say you don't go there before, like you say you were born and brought up there, so it's good that you are giving us this information. What would be the meaning of Kudandan?
I honestly don't know.
Okay.
Is the market name Kudandan or is from Kudandan district?
It's Kudanda Market. That's the market
Uh-huh.
is located at Kudanda.
Okay. Do you speak Hausa very well?
Very well, yes, sir.
So suna din ba wai sunan kasuwa din Kudandan ne.
A kasuwan kamar yadda ake cewa Sabo Market.
Eh.
Every area carries the name of the market.
Idan mi za a iya kira wannan kasuwa Kudandan kenan ko ba haka ba?
Kudandan kenan, yes.
Okay, alright. Shine nake so in tambaya saboda mutane ba za su sani ba sun just rubuta Kudandan district ba su ce wai sunan kasuwa din Kudandan ne amma inda kika faɗa yanzu nan to haka ne.
Yeah.
So thank you.
All right.
Yes. So thank you.
And as for the debt, because when you people when we not talk,
Yeah.
I actually called my auntie to confirm the story.
Exactly. So what did she talk?
She said she was like, forget about these radio people. Now within the year they go dey talk.
Okay.
So, but she was like, the killing is a kind of random. Like
Okay.
she knows somebody that was killed, and his family and 2 children were kidnapped also in the incident.
Wow. In this particular incident, are you serious?
I'm serious, yes.
So as soon as we start the gist, you now call your auntie who is there presently, right?
Pardon?
I said as soon as we drop the gist just now, you call your auntie when they that side.
Yes.
Wow, and she called confirm am.
Yes. She said yes, an incident like that happened, but according to her, she said it's like they were fake soldiers. Like they just saw people on uniform shooting.
Okay.
Yeah, and there was a case of kidnap. They kidnapped Reverend Father. He tried to call some things. Yeah.
Wow. Let me say the thing the story they bigger than what they would read here, right?
Yes.
Okay, that make us say me forget the people. Okay, no wala. Thank you so much. I in fact I appreciate what you do so that you see that means say if they talk nonsense for yourself, una go know.
Mm-hmm.
Because as she just dropped the gist, she just called her auntie straight when they that said and she confirmed her. Thank you so much. Now go there.
You are welcome.
To yo. You see why I they like our audience. They very some of them they very 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 smart. They just call her auntie straight for cannot say. See what she did here for radio. That one say forget the radio people they talk there. He say see the regist here. Are you serious? Alright, the four lines see they open. Kudandan, abi? Kudandan. Okay, well we never know the meaning of Kudandan.
Kudandan.
Yeah. Okay, Kudandan, right? What do you mean?
Kudandan. I don't know.
Alright, so we see there. Send us your WhatsApp message for 0809 597 5808. Okay, somebody else they say Ratata. It's obvious that okay, he said it is spelled Kudenda.
DU.
Now so this person talk. He said it is spelled
Kudanda.
Kudenda.
That is Kudanda.
Okay, I beg all of them when come from that side and tell us about more about this market when we the year now, because like I talk market history and location. We go there one place, but we go carry everybody around this country. They they make us know markets when they exist. Call us for 0700 951 951 That guy when send the spelling, he just send voice note. More here I take pronounce am.
Hello, sir. It's pronounced Kudenda.
Kudenda.
Okay. Kudenda.
Okay. Ma, call this person. Ma, this person. Ma, call you. Ma, get your number. Ma, call you. Because you see now, why we discover market history and location. History. We dey learn now. Wazobia Fm. We dey informate now. Even as we dey laugh, we go dey learn. Okay, madam, I dey call you Inakira. Zankiraki, right? To.
Ankiraki doka waya munene.
Zankiraki, me say I dey call you. I won't call you.
Inakiraki.
Inakiraki. Hey, not laughing here. I go pursue you, madam. Inakiraki. So maybe you say it's pronounced Kudenda. Now me they call you, madam. Just talk to us. Hello. Morning, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, and you?
Are they okay? I like you. Oh God. Even I want to speak English. They're sweet now. Oh, yeah.
Lafia,
kalau ba ko mai ko?
No, ba ko misha.
Oh, mungo de ala. Me sunaki.
I'm mommy best.
Mommy best ko?
Yes,
to,
sir.
yeah, best.
Lafia, long is fine.
To. Okay, yes, talk to us about you. This market, this district, you don't go there before.
I'm from Kaduna State.
Oh, okay, yeah, tell us more with the year.
Kudanda Market. It's a market in Kaduna State. Close to Nigerian breweries.
Okay.
Yes, Kudanda is just like a hill.
Okay.
That place was not in existence before we were born, as in for a very long period of time.
Okay.
It is not inside Kaduna town as per. It's on the expressway down, as if you want to go to Gonigora, going down to Abuja.
Okay.
Yes. So later on, they started building companies there, like these Nigerian breweries and all that. They started constructing companies and all these places where they produce, where they sell grains in large quantities.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's more like a hill.
Okay.
Before they broke it down and started building houses, but more of companies are there.
Okay.
Yes, and then the market runs. It's a very big market. They sell so many things. They even cattle.
Oh, they sell cattle there.
Yes.
Okay.
And so many other things.
Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So what time the market they open and close?
I don't know the specific time they open, but when you go there as early as possible is open, and once if not because of all the happenings that are going on in the country right now, even if you go there in the night, market will still sell.
Okay.
But because for security purpose, they close on time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what would be the meaning of Kudenda?
Like I said earlier on, it's like a mountain.
Okay.
It's like a mountain. It's not really Kudenda is not a Hausa word as per se.
Okay.
You know, in Kaduna State we have different languages.
Okay.
Yes. So I don't really know the language, but Kudenda is like a mountain that was broken down to build a market on it.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Madam, you are too much for this education, this history when they tell us. You see why market history and location they sweet. I never know. Say this is the day before. We not know, but now you the educators now. Only because of say this story come outside, and I hope say I believe say you are. In fact, I believe say even yourself, but did not switch you for this story when it happened. So I be.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good
Now,
to hear from you, Uncle Ratata.
Hey, yeah, same here.
Yes, sir. Auntie Ada, good to hear from you.
So ne ba ada ba ne.
Ai, so ne ina wani na gajiya.
Ba gajiya ya kike.
Sannan lafiya lau.
Kin ji batun wannan labari da?
Labarin kasuwa?
Wannan wanda ya faru ran Friday.
A'a, ban ji ba fa.
Wai
radio ne ya lalace.
Wallahi wai aka kashe a wajen fa.
A'a, okay, kamar na ji shi jiya.
Okay, a radio ne ko a?
A'a, na ji na labari ne na ji ba radio ba.
Okay.
Yes, ma.
To shine muke faɗa shine yake gaya ma mutane yanzu na ya ce su wanda suka ji batun labari din a kira mu a gaya mana.
To ni inda na ji zan kira amma ban ji ba daga
tambaye in akwai mutane a can kira su sai a gaya mana wai ya ke faruwa ko ya faru ran Friday din.
To ina kira ina tambaya na ji zan kira.
All right muna jira.
So Alma okay.
Yes, sir.
Mun san da shi mu an shi canji yanzu na.
So
Ratata.
Now go to say
you're welcome.
Say the survey.
Yes, sir.
To you see now Wazobia Fm too much. But we too much. We dey go around the full country. Now we dey touch everywhere. See the way she just break down say that word not be Hausa word, but now one of the dialects when they speak for inside Kaduna for there. So now they name the market with. He says so now hill when when they break down, then when they call build market on top. Now you mean of Kudanda. Oh, but see the way our voice sweet for years. See you when I hear.
Hello, sir. It's pronounced Kudanda.
I beg, you got too much. Wazobia FM with too much. I beg, if you are still out there and Kudanda and you still know more about this market, let us know. You see, so people they listen to us from everywhere. I beg you call us for 0700 951 951 951 Kudanda. Hello, there the phone line. Hello.
Ratata, they don't say you finish now. I dey pray for this day when I go. When Wazobia go pick my call, they don't say you finish.
They don't pick up. They worry. What did they do you?
They don't say you.
What did they worry you?
I didn't tell you now. So what the other lady.
Kai, why ya maka wai muka san da shi? Ya aka san da shi. Ba mu san da shi ba.
Ba mu san ba.
Ba mu san da shi ba.
Mara, me sunaka.
Benjamin.
Alright, Benjamin, you know anything about the Kudanda?
For where?
Okay, but you just call it.
Yeah, even when I'm from Jos, I grew up in Jos. I just come hustle for here and God don't do am.
Tall. Now go to South.
Yo, this is my first time calling you.
That's nice.
Ina Jane Kaswa.
Jane Kaswa is down in the.